Rainy morning here. Not much happening as far as seeding today because of this rain. Currently heading to the Volvo. We're going to try to yank it out of that field. No problem, got it aired up. Where to? Higher? Think she's close. Right on. Nailed her. For the first time in a week and a half, we got this trailer out of the field and moving. Jeff was able to squeeze by our abandoned vehicles there. All right. So the Volvo made it home. Jeff and Randy towed her home. Bit of a busted day today because of the rain. Rained basically all afternoon. It's 6:30 now. I've been out at the drill greasing. A few more hoses to fix up, and Jeff and Randy have been loading up with wheat, and now they're loading up with our fertilizer blend. So we're thinking of loading the drill tonight, so it's ready to go tomorrow. It's the stuff. Well, I'm just heading out to the drill. A few more things to do before we can actually start seeding with it. And I'm almost done. Just about 3 tubes of grease I've gone through. And there she is. Beauty. Trucks are here. Full of wheat and fertilizer. Every single one of those Packer wheels is greased. We'll see about filling this beast. Well, we're going to try to load. Maybe if Jeff can make it to this slight downhill. Maybe not the best idea. Driving into a muddy field right after the rain. What the heck, bud? No comment. A little greasy. Cool. Well, second tow job of the day for the old green machine. Oh yeah, that's soft. Jeff did say he loaded this truck. Yeah, not working out. Sunk a little too far. Now we can't reach. We're gonna move to a different spot entirely.
Probably the play.
Randy says this probably needs a day to dry out. I'm inclined to agree with him. Probably got a ½ inch of rain. Now to get the truck out. That should hold. Ooh. Big anchor. He's free. Back on solid ground, eh? Packed with mud. I don't know if I should have had it the other way, if that would have made a difference.
Not quite big enough.
Banana. Try this again. Okay. That's a good idea too. Yeah.